Sparkling Heart Unique Necklace Design. Sparkling Heart, the unique love knot and the design of heart birthstone symbolize your eternal love. When the person you love wears this dainty necklace, she will feel your full love and happiness. The perfect gift for mom, grandma, girlfriend, wife, sisters, and friends on Mother's Day, Christmas, Valentine's Day, or birthday. Sparkling Heart 925 Sterling Silver Necklace. Sparkling Heart, both the chain and pendant are made up of sterling silver and plated with white gold. It's lead and nickel-free and will never fade on you. The chain length is 18-inch plus 2, suitable for most women. Sparkling Heart, perfect gifts for your love. Sparkling Heart, this unique, the love knot birthstone necklace is the perfect gift for women, mothers, grandmothers, aunts, sisters, friends, wives, and girlfriends. It is the perfect way to express love. Sparkling Heart Dainty Gift Package. Sparkling Heart, the love knot birthstone necklace comes with an e-fill box, a thank you card, a small envelopes, a silver polishing cloth, and a dainty card. This rose heart necklace is a necklace suitable for daily wear. It is a perfect gift for the person you love. Sparkling Heart After Sale Service. Sparkling Heart, any question about your love knot birthstone necklace, please contact us and we will answer your question within 24 hours and give you a satisfactory answer.